What's good, YouTube crew? Guess where we're at right now? The Big Apple. The city of dreams. Oh yeah. What's going on, Dummy? Dummy?
Now you gotta use
Yo, where did my mom?
Hey, where did my mother?
We doing fun shit, yeah. We be up all night, yeah. We staying out the way, yeah. Nigga, get on my way, yeah. We can't rest on the floor, hundreds to go. I got a Burberry tail, we swerving,
Bad funny right now.
don't know where to go, up in the road, yeah. We going up. I want a Bentley truck. I want these Benji stuff in my pocket. But when did I got it? When did I get this boss? I'm killing these niggas, I'm not an imposter.
Sorry, yo. We need better lighting.
I got part of my car.
Thank you. About to get on the subway.
And shit, nothing involved to press that issue. I go to war for all my niggas. Full force is pressure, nigga. Them hoes, they never stress me, nigga. That flexing don't impress me. I'm ballin', don't never bench me, nigga. I'm all in with this. I'm all in with this. No, nigga, I'm not tripping. All the way, I keep my distance.
Nah, Batman was in Pittsburgh.
About to do what I'm feeling. Real shit, no switching. Oh yeah.
Alright, we in by the Marcy Bridge. I think. I don't know. I've been vlogging, fool. I should do a public interview, but I'm not trying to talk to people for real with this corona and all, and people don't be giving me the right reaction that I want. Why is it the light keep dicking me? Whoa. I make it rain that whoever. I make it rain on whoever? See? He janking me. Jank it. Let me hurry up before I get hit. What? Make it rain on whoever. Yeah, whoever. Hey. Okay.
Let me get that.
Gotta stay loaded and let's go to war for the bucks. Ay. I want them noticing us, and we don't be doing too much. You niggas ain't doing enough.
Jerry's rocking the bayang. Me too. I need something to drink.
Yeah, really y'all doing too little. Look at my chain, different color like Skittles. Shit can get sticky like a McGriddle. Shoot like a missile, no. Call 2-pack and see my review. Bitches, my kids, put them in the NICU. Wanna talk shit, I'ma pickle Ricky. And I got your bitch, she doing the splits too. I feel like Santa, I got the gifts too. I feel like Hannah, got 2 worlds. Already know how we rollin', we pearl. Faye, doing a dash on the road. Ayy. Gigging like I'm a football. Designer shit like I'm a model.
I got so such a tourist, you know. It's the vibes going on right now. Jerry's looking at me. It's kind of embarrassing vlogging in person because it's like people are looking at you like you're crazy.
People in New York do way weirder things than cars.
You know, they be walking around naked and shit.
They know I'm not gon' stop. Yeah, I'm too solid. I'm on my boss shit, and I got niggas that's real for me. Yo, gang, they coming in through.
Funny when it hits somebody
They
like
like shorty, you gotta be go, 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 go. They like shorty, you gotta be go, go, go. They like shorty, you gotta be go, go. They like shorty, you gotta be go, go.
So we just left Sylvia's
Why are you
in
talking so
Harlem.
quiet now?
We just left Sylvia's in Harlem. Where did my mother use bucket keys? About to head to the Apollo. Yeah, I might not even leave my audio in here. Okay. Cause I'm gonna put the music over it. Make it like a little joint. No, you ain't. No, you ain't.
What?
No, you ain't. But it's just me doing like cool stuff. Just me talking to the camera, walking in different locations.
You gotta be a real vlogger. You're over here putting the camera up to your face and whispering.
What you want me to do?
Ain't giving no fuss, I guess I'm headstrong. Niggas stay rolling.
Y'all, so day 2. Bitches on the train. No, we didn't. Like now. I think it's down. Downtown.
Truck. My part of my kids don't click with no kicking shit like show. Good gas for the low. I got packs and shit below. Dumb rest in the road. So still my focus. What you mean? No, I ain't showing love. Any record to come in advance. So you know, hell for me, I told you.
This Nike has 5 levels.
Can't flex, I'ma stay in my bed. Ain't stressed while you holding mad. Stay pressed, I don't care about that. Roxanne with these Playboy jacks. Still stacking you none of my brackets. Big fast on the store, no drags. Big Mac, I want all that status. Down bad, but I pop like acne. Ball out, I'm a star, no athlete. Turned up nigga who gon' match me up. Ain't giving no fuss, I guess I'm headstrong. Niggas stay rolling. Yeah, the type the feds want out the